Today I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful necklace that the company sent out to me. I'm going to be unboxing it, showing you the features, and letting you know where to get it. So let's go ahead and take a look. So it comes in a box like this. This is perfect, especially if you're gifting it to someone. This is a 0.85 carat lab grown diamond. Everything that you need is inside of the box. So this is what the box looks like. Let me go ahead and open it up. Like I mentioned, this is perfect, especially if you're gifting it to someone. It is a nice velvet case. You could simply put the necklace on here, hook it on. This is what the inside looks like. Very, very elegant feel. Now, if you are gifting it to someone, I personally say just take it out of the little plastic baggie. This is just to go ahead and protect the necklace. Beautiful pendant, nice shiny necklace, a very, very dainty necklace. It is kind of in a rose gold color. Before I try it on, I'm going to show you everything else that is included in your box. So you do get this little felt bag. It does have the brand name on there. You could simply place your necklace on there when you're finished, and you go ahead and seal it, pull the drawstring, and you're ready to go. Now again, if you are gifting this to somebody, it is perfect because it does come with a little gift bag. So this is what the gift bag looks like. You could simply place the large box in there and gift it to that special person, that special someone, or even a loved one. In here, you also get a thank you for your purchase letter from the brand. So in here, you get a little bit more of care for your jewelry piece. Then also a little microfiber cloth to clean your jewelry piece. So now here you do get your lab grown diamond jewelry report. So it just breaks it down, lets you know more about your jewelry piece. All right, so let's go ahead and try this beautiful necklace out. I do want to give you a closer look. It does have a lobster clasp. Take a look. And it does have additional spaces. All right, so let's go ahead and try it on. All right, as you can see, I have the necklace on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull the camera in just to give you a closer look at what that necklace looks like. All right, so check it out, how nicely it sits on the neckline. Very, very nice. I love how thin the necklace is. Very, very dainty, very nice. And then the pendant really stands out. How nice and shiny it is. Very, very beautiful. This is perfect for date night, if you're going to a wedding, any special occasion, and it is perfect to give to that special somebody or even for yourself. All right, so here is a closer look at everything that you get inside of your box when you purchase this product. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a closer look on that necklace. All right, so take a look. Again, this is an 18 karat gold plated 925 sterling silver necklace. It does have moissanite diamonds. They are lab grown diamonds. So if you're on the lookout for a new necklace for yourself or for a loved one as a gift, then definitely check this one out. I think this is perfect for a wedding, for Mother's Day, for an anniversary. Super, super nice looking necklace with a beautiful pendant. I'd highly recommend it. Go ahead and check it out. I'll link it down below for you. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.